Deal.
Friends. Just from friends. $5 she would like.
Okay.
It's a new. Brand
good.
new. If you would like.
Yep, 30
It's
bucks
cute.
then. I like it. I'm done.
Me too, I like it.
Thrifting ain't easy. I'm feeling creepy. Comping diapers on my eBay app.
Good morning, how are you?
Hi, good. Look like, you know, it's usually supposed to be raining for weekend. That's why we're doing this time clean up a little bit, you know?
Right, yeah.
I like your bear.
Oh, thank you very much.
Yeah, hats. Yeah, you like it, hats?
I do.
I think your hat's nice.
Oh, thank you very much.
Yeah, look like we just start, but it's not too many people because probably everybody working. You know?
Right, yeah. Are you just doing it one day?
You off day today?
Yeah.
Are you off? It's nice. Tuesday. Today Tuesday, yeah.
Gonna be a pretty day.
Yeah, look like not bad, and tomorrow not bad.
Yeah.
But other day we can be rain.
Yeah, all weekend I think.
It's probably nobody open a garage sale yet.
I wouldn't.
I think I'm number one.
You're up there.
Last weekend it was beautiful. Last
Yes,
weekend.
it was. It was.
Yeah, last weekend was beautiful.
It was amazing.
Yeah, I know. We just look at some. I didn't put price, but it's cheap. But I put price. Don't
Okay.
put it.
I'll grab a couple things and then I'll ask
Yeah,
you.
I can put price.
Sounds good.
And, yeah, just what we have some furniture. But this I need to put price too.
How much you have on your lamps here?
Huh?
How much you have on your lamps here?
Lamps?
Yeah.
You told me, I think $10 each.
Oh, okay.
$10 each.
Okay.
If you would like to check, I can check for you.
It's okay.
Light on. You can check all of them. It's beautiful.
Yeah, they are. Yeah, lamps usually work. I'm okay with that.
Yeah, lamp is working. It's an antique. Antique, right?
Right.
Old style, old.
Yeah, for sure.
My neighbor. She's so nice. I'm lucky. I'm lucky with neighbor, you know?
Oh, yeah.
Each $2. I just put here, if you see, each
Okay.
$2. It's just cosmetics for a woman, maybe you need, you know? You can keep here stuff.
Okay.
If you need stuff here.
I got a few things
you
here.
just put here, yeah. It just, everything for $2. If you want to. Be okay?
Yep, sure. And then I'll do the 2 lamps too.
Okay, that's fine. I just give you boxes probably, wrap it up.
Okay.
Just keep here. Yeah, this is 2,
Okay.
1, both 2
Okay.
and 1.
So 2.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I lost
Two.
track.
2, 3, 4, 5.
4, 5.
$5.
So 25
Uh-huh.
with the 2 lamps. And then what about this?
This $5 from
Five.
friends.
So 30
Friends.
bucks. Deal.
Friends. Just from friends, $5 she would like. It's
Okay.
a new, brand
good.
new. If you would like.
Yep, 30
It's
bucks
cute.
then.
Uh-huh.
I like it. I'm done.
Me too, I like it. I give you a box
Okay.
and you can grab any box.
Okay.
Look, we have a lot of boxes. Okay? Any boxes you can grab. And I have wrapped it up for you. This is wrapped it up ready, right? Look, you can just keep here, we can throw away.
Okay.
Would you okay?
Yep, that'll work. Yeah.
Do you like check? Electric?
No, I believe you. It'll be okay.
Maybe we can throw away like this.
There we
Little
go.
bit, right? Up to you. What do you think? How working?
Sounds good.
Yeah? And other lamp, I can wrap it up for you. Also.
Okay.
And I give you back. Maybe like this.
That'll work.
You okay?
Yep, that'll do it.
And do you like to give you a plastic bag?
I can just throw it all in there probably, just here on the sides.
Yeah? Look, up to you. Be comfortable for you?
Yep, it'll be good.
Maybe wrap it up your cup.
Okay.
I like cups. Have you been to Florida?
I have been to Florida, yeah.
No? You
Yeah.
like it?
I love Florida. Georgia even more.
Uh-huh. And what else? That's it?
30,
Are you
yeah.
that cheap?
What about on the records here? Little bag of records.
$1 each, 50
$1.
cents each. We sell it a lot, you know, we sell it a lot. 50 cents each.
Okay, like that.
You can, if you go to buy all of them, look, grab this one.
Okay.
Or
Let's see
how
what I
many? Just I'll give you cheapest.
2, 3, 4,
Just check.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
People start coming because wake up. That is important.
Right. 17, 18, 19, 20. So there's 20 in there. So,
Each 50 cents. If you
okay.
want. Maybe okay?
40 bucks.
Do you want?
Yep.
Yeah.
So,
Let me see. We'll go last. We can last, okay? You best for me. No, one guy. We would like to sell tractor.
yeah, that'd be nice.
Yeah.
I don't have room for that. There you go.
Thank you so much.
Good luck with everything.
I appreciate you. Hi guys. Can I help you?
All right, guys, we are back in the garage. That garage sale was probably the very reason that you shouldn't pass by any garage sale, even if it doesn't look good from the road, because it didn't look great to me passing by, but I picked up some really great stuff for not a lot of money. So real quick, let's take a look at the stuff I got to resell. Start with the no big deal stuff first. I've never really been a mug seller or a Starbucks mug person, but I mean, that one was cheap and I went ahead and picked it up. It's the Florida Starbucks mug. No clue what those are worth nowadays. I've been trying to get a little bit more into costume jewelry and vintage costume jewelry and stuff. There was just a bunch of bangle bracelets there, so I picked them all up. I'm sure most of them are nothing special, but I just thought some of them had a really cool look to them, like this wood grain and this kind of bronze look and this big plastic red one. Grabbed a couple of these little hand-carved animals. I think they call them like carved onyx figures or something. This is a bunny, and then of course I couldn't pass up the frog here. I've been picking these up a lot lately. Usually find them at garage sales and estate sales for between 50 cents and $1. I think I paid 50 cents a piece for these, and they normally fetch between like $5 and $15 on the low end, so they're a decent little bread and butter items in my opinion. I'm gonna have a hard time selling that frog because that's really cool. I thought this was pretty neat, this French tapestry or decorative towel or whatever it is. It's made by a company called Dubois, I think, and they have a lot of products with these little cap butts on them. Kind of weird, but that's kind of their theme, and I just thought it was cool, and I'm sure someone's gonna want this. It's pretty large, but pretty easy to ship because it's super light. Grab this stack of old 78s here for 50 cents a piece. I'm not an expert on these, but I do know enough to buy them when they're cheap, because you can really make some crazy money on these things if you get the right ones. One label I do know to look out for is the Paramount label. There are some of these records that can sell for over $1,000 a piece. Many of them several $100s. You can do your research to see why that is. I won't get into it now, but if you do see them for cheap, go ahead and grab them because you never know. I've not gone through all these yet, and condition will definitely be an issue. I think there's ways to clean them up and everything. These are pretty old and dusty, but I did look a couple up, and there are some by this GB Grayson and Henry Witter that sell for some pretty crazy money on their own. So not really sure what this will fetch or anything, but I definitely don't think we'll get hurt at 50 cents a piece. Grabbed a Swatch watch for $1. This is a Swatch Irony. Very good condition. It's like almost brand new looking. Needs the battery replaced. I'm pretty sure that I have bought every Swatch watch that I've ever found at a garage sale or estate sale or anything. And they're super easy to change the batteries. You can get them on Amazon in bulk. But this one's actually a very good one. This one sells used for between like 50 and 80 bucks, this specific model right here. So definitely a good score at $1. And then probably the best thing I picked up are the lamps. This is a Falsgraf jug lamp right here. Very good condition, very beautiful. Paid 10 bucks a piece for these. When you factor in shipping, people are willing to pay over 100 bucks a piece for these lamps. I mean, you may see sold comps of them for like 30 or 40 bucks, but when you look at shipping, it's like 50, 60, $70. So people are definitely willing to spend the money, and I don't see any reason why I couldn't put this in my antique booth for 50 or 60 bucks. And then this beautiful lamp right here is a Carl Falkenstein lamp. It's the vase style. It's got like the painted bird scene on it with the flowers and the trees. A lot of times on Falkenstein lamps, you just turn them over and the imprint will be on the base, which is what this is. I don't want to do it one-handed because I don't want to break it. But this is another thing that's it's kind of hard to decipher sold comps just because they're expensive to ship. People might not sell them online because they don't want to ship them. And it's just hard to get like a true market value for it. I am going to put this in my antique booth, and I'm going to ask probably somewhere around $125. If you look on Etsy and stuff like that, you see people asking close to 300 bucks for this old Falkenstein vase style lamp. But yeah, this is something that I would pick up over and over again for 10 bucks at a yard sale. pretty cool. Keep an eye out for that sort of thing. So yeah, when all is said and done, my 40 bucks should be multiplied several times over with not very much work at all. So that's all I got for you this time. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching the video. But until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. Love ya. Bye. When they hear that cha-ching and they all look at me, I guess they'll know I'm buying this crap.